Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make protein powder brownies. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have a good quality protein powder. Next, we will walk through the mixing and baking process step by step, making it super easy for anyone to follow along. Finally, I'll share some fantastic tips to achieve the best texture and suggest ways to customize your brownies for even more enjoyment. Get ready to bake some guilt-free deliciousness. For our protein brownies, you'll need about 1/2 cup of your preferred chocolate protein powder, which is key for that rich flavor and protein boost. We'll also use 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder to deepen the chocolate taste. To keep it healthy, grab 1/4 cup of a low-calorie sweetener, and for moisture without extra fat, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce works wonders. Don't forget a touch of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, whisk together all your dry ingredients until they are well combined. Then, gently fold in the wet ingredients, mixing just until everything comes together. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your brownies tough. Pour the batter into a prepared 8 by 8 inch pan and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. A toothpick inserted should come out clean. To get the best results, always let your brownies cool completely and even chill them for about 30 minutes before slicing. This ensures neat, clean edges. Feel free to experiment with different protein powder flavors. Vanilla or even peanut butter protein can create exciting variations. For an extra treat, fold in a 1/4 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips or chopped nuts. Store your delicious creations in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.